Fun facts about amazing animals, written and illustrated by Kids Story Time. Did you know that tigers are the largest wild cats in the world? They can weigh up to 660 pounds and stretch up to 10 feet long. Tigers live in the forests and grasslands of Asia, and they're known for their beautiful orange fur with black stripes. But tigers are also very strong and powerful hunters, using their strength and stealth to catch prey. Wow! Imagine being as big and strong as a tiger. Do you think you could sneak through the jungle as quietly as a tiger does? Tigers are known for being silent and sneaky hunters. How do you think tigers use their stripes to help them hunt? A. Their stripes make them look bigger. B. Their stripes help them blend into the jungle. C. Their stripes make them run faster. If you answered B, you're right. Tigers use their stripes to blend into the jungle, making it easier for them to sneak up on their prey. The shadows of the trees and grass make it hard to see the tiger as it moves, giving it a big advantage when hunting. The stripes break up the tiger's outline, so other animals can't see it as well. This is called camouflage, and it helps the tiger get close to its prey without being noticed. Now, let's talk about the cheetah, the fastest land animal in the world. Cheetahs can run at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, but they can only keep that speed for a short time. Their long, powerful legs and light bodies help them reach these incredible speeds. They're built for sprinting, and their special claws give them extra grip on the ground when they run. Can you imagine running as fast as a cheetah? That would be like racing a car on the highway. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, but they can't keep running at top speed for very long. Why do you think that is? A. They get tired quickly. B. They only run fast when they're being chased. C. They don't need to run fast for very long to catch their prey. If you answered A, you're right. Cheetahs get tired very quickly because running at top speed takes a lot of energy. That's why they only run fast when they need to catch their prey, and they usually stop once they've made their catch. Cheetahs can only keep running at top speed for about 20 to 30 seconds before they need to slow down and rest. Their bodies are built for short bursts of speed, not for running long distances. Now, let's visit the Arctic and talk about polar bears. Did you know that polar bears have black skin underneath their thick white fur? Their fur is actually clear, but it reflects light, making them look white. This helps polar bears blend into the snowy environment, which is important for hunting seals, their favourite food. Can you imagine living in such a cold place? Polar bears are perfectly adapted to the freezing temperatures of the Arctic. Polar bears have thick fur and a layer of fat to keep them warm in the freezing Arctic. How do you think polar bears hunt for food in such a cold, icy place? A. They chase seals across the ice. B. They wait by holes in the ice and catch seals when they come up for air. C. They dive into the water to catch fish. If you answered B, you're right. Polar bears wait by holes in the ice and catch seals when they come up for air. Their white fur helps them blend into the snow, making it hard for the seals to see them. Polar bears are patient hunters. They can wait for hours by a hole in the ice, waiting for a seal to appear. When the seal comes up for air, the polar bear uses its powerful paws to grab it. Did you know that dolphins are some of the smartest animals in the ocean? Bottlenose dolphins, like the one you see here, are known for their playful nature and their ability to solve problems. Dolphins use a special language of clicks, whistles, and body movements to communicate with each other, and they can even recognize themselves in mirrors. Dolphins are so smart that they can learn tricks, solve puzzles, and even help humans. Can you imagine swimming through the ocean and talking to your friends in clicks and whistles like a dolphin? Dolphins are known for being playful and smart. How do you think dolphins use their clicks and whistles to communicate? A. They make different sounds to mean different things. B. They only use clicks when they're playing. C. They use clicks and whistles to tell each other when food is near. If you answered A, you're right. Dolphins use different sounds to communicate with each other, just like we use words. Their clicks and whistles can mean different things, like telling each other where food is or warning each other of danger. Dolphins are very social animals. They live in groups called pods, and they communicate all the time using their special sounds. Each dolphin has its own unique whistle, kind of like how each person has their own name. Now, let's visit the desert and talk about camels. Did you know that camels can go for days, even weeks, without water? They store fat in their humps, which helps them survive in the hot, dry desert. Camels are often called the ships of the desert because they can carry heavy loads across long distances without needing much water or food. Imagine walking across a desert in the hot sun for days without needing a drink. Camels are amazing survivors in one of the toughest environments on Earth. Camels can go for weeks without water, but how do you think they stay hydrated when they finally get a chance to drink? A. They drink a lot of water really quickly. B. They sip water slowly throughout the day. C. They only drink at night when it's cooler. If you answered A, you're right. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons of water in one go, and they do it very quickly. This helps them stay hydrated for a long time, even when there's no water nearby. Camels have special adaptations that allow them to store water and survive in the desert. When they do find water, they drink a lot of it all at once, so they're prepared for the long, dry days ahead. Let's swing over to the jungle and talk about monkeys. Monkeys are some of the most playful and curious animals in the jungle. They use their long tails and strong arms to swing from tree to tree, looking for food and playing with each other. Many monkeys live in large groups called troops, where they take care of each other and protect each other from danger. Monkeys are so much fun to watch. They're always jumping, playing, and exploring their surroundings. Can you imagine swinging through the trees like a monkey? Monkeys are great at climbing and swinging through the trees. How do you think they use their tails to help them move through the jungle? A. Their tails help them balance. B. Their tails are just for decoration. C. Their tails help them swing from tree to tree. Pause for kids to think. If you answered A or C, you're right. Monkeys use their tails to help them balance as they swing from tree to tree. Their tails act like an extra hand, giving them the ability to grab branches or hold on to things as they move through the jungle. Monkeys have prehensile tails, which means their tails can grab and hold on to things, just like their hands. This helps them climb, swing, and balance as they explore their jungle home. Next, let's talk about the giraffe, the tallest land animal in the world. Giraffes can grow up to 18 feet tall, and their long necks help them reach the highest leaves in the trees. Giraffes are known for their long, graceful legs and their beautiful spotted coats. Each giraffe's spots are unique, just like a human's fingerprints. Wow! Imagine being as tall as a giraffe and being able to see over the tops of trees. Giraffes are so tall that they have to spread their legs wide just to drink water. Giraffes use their long necks to reach the highest leaves in the trees. How do you think they drink water from the ground with such long legs and necks? A. They bend their knees to drink. B. They spread their legs wide and lower their necks. C. They don't drink water. They get all their water from the leaves they eat. If you answered B, you're right. Giraffes spread their legs wide and lower their necks to drink from the ground. Their long necks and legs make it tricky for them to reach the water, but they've adapted to do it in a way that works for them. Giraffes can't bend their necks all the way down like we can, so they have to spread their legs apart to reach the water. It's not easy, but it works for them. Now, let's fly over to the Arctic tundra and meet the snowy owl. Snowy owls are known for their beautiful white feathers, which help them blend into their snowy surroundings. These majestic birds have sharp talons and incredible eyesight, which they use to hunt for prey like lemmings and small birds. Snowy owls can see clearly even in low light, which helps them hunt in the long, dark Arctic winters. Imagine being able to see perfectly in the dark like a snowy owl. These amazing birds are built to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Snowy owls live in the cold, icy Arctic, where it's dark for much of the winter. How do you think snowy owls hunt for food in the dark? A. They use their sharp eyesight to see in low light. B. They use their sharp talons to dig for food. C. They sleep during the winter and only hunt in the summer. If you answered A, you're right. Snowy owls use their sharp eyesight to see in low light, which helps them hunt even in the dark Arctic winters. Snowy owls are perfectly adapted to life in the Arctic. Their eyes can see clearly in low light, and their thick feathers keep them warm in the freezing cold. Finally, let's dive into the ocean and learn about sea turtles. Sea turtles have been around for over 100 million years, making them some of the oldest creatures on Earth. These amazing animals spend most of their lives in the ocean, using their flippers to swim through the water. Female sea turtles return to the beach where they were born to lay their eggs, and they travel thousands of miles across the ocean to do so. Imagine traveling thousands of miles just to lay your eggs. Sea turtles are incredible navigators, using the Earth's magnetic fields to find their way back to their birthplace. Now that we've learned so many amazing facts about animals, it's your turn. Next time you see one of these creatures, remember the incredible things they can do. Thanks for watching. Hope you and your kids enjoy this story. Please do visit and subscribe to our channel, Kids Story Time.